Welcome back to Law Penology Treatment of Offenders. Today we'll be discussing sentencing with respect to Indian scenario. So, here is a topic for today brief on current Indian scenario regarding sentencing. So, while doing this topic, the very first committee to be discussed is Malimath Committee. Currently, India does not have structured sentencing guidelines that have been issued either by the legislature or judiciary. In March 2003, the Committee Reforms of Criminal Justice System, the Malimath Committee, a body established by the Ministry of Home Affairs, issued a report that emphasized the need to introduce sentencing guidelines in order to minimize uncertainty in awarding sentences. The report provided that IPC does not prescribe offenses and punishment. But for many offenses, only the maximum punishment is prescribed, and for some, the minimum is prescribed. Thus, the judge has a wide discretion in awarding the sentences. There is absence of guidelines for the guide to be able to decide as to the most appropriate sentence under the given circumstances of the case. Therefore, this depends completely upon the individuality of the judge. The reports stressed that there was a need for such a law in our country to minimize uncertainty to the matter of awarding sentences. The committee advised further that, in order to bring predictability in the matter of sentencing, a statutory committee should be established to lay guidelines on sentencing, guidelines under the chairmanship of former judge of Supreme Court or former justice of High Court, experienced in criminal law, with other members representing the prosecution, legal profession, police, social scientists, and women represented. The next committee was the Madhava Menon Committee. In 2008, the committee drafted National Policy on Criminal Justice. The Madhav Menon Committee again asserted the need for a statutory sentencing guidelines. In the October 2010 news report, the law minister is quoted as having stated that government is looking into establishing a uniform sentencing policy in line with United States and United Kingdom in order to ensure that judges do not issue varied sentences. In 2008, the Supreme Court of India in State of Punjab versus Prem Sagar and others also noted the absence of judiciary driven guidelines in India's criminal justice system, stating, in our judicial system we have not been able to develop legal principles as regards sentencing. The court stated that the superior courts have come across a large number of cases that show anomalies as regards the policy of sentencing, whereas the quantum of punishment for commission of similar type of offense varies from minimum to maximum. Even where the same sentence is imposed, the principles applied are found to be different. Similar discrepancies have been noted in regard to imposition of fines. In 2013, the Supreme Court in the case of Soman versus State of Kerala also observed the absence of structured guidelines. Giving punishment to the wrongdoer is at the heart of criminal justice delivery, but in our country, it is the weakest part of administration of criminal justice. There are no legislative or judicially laid down guidelines to assist the trial court in meting out the just punishment to the accused facing trial before it after he is held guilty of the charges. In these circumstances, that absence of adequate sentencing policies and legislation makes it completely dependent upon the judicial discretion, which thus exposes the sentencing process to abuse and allows personal prejudices of the judges which may in turn to influence the sentencing. So in brief, Indian scenarios, there are no well-defined guidelines to assist the trial courts, which causes a great deal of ambiguity, which is of course not good. Because even if the same अगर सेम सेंटेंस इम्पोज भी किया जा रहा है तो उसके पीछे जो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, जो फिलॉसफी है, वो डिफरेंटली काम कर जाती है, क्योंकि हर जज की सोचने समझने की और अंडरस्टैंडिंग अलग अलग है। तो एक जनरल गाइडलाइन मिसिंग है, जिसकी वजह से एम्बिग्युइटी क्रिएट होती है। और आज की डेट में भी इंडियन सिनारियो में सेंटेंसिंग को लेकर के कोई वेल डिफाइंड गाइडलाइन सिस्टम नहीं है, यानी कि यूनिफॉर्म सेंटेंसिंग पॉलिसी नहीं है, जबकि गवर्नमेंट इसके तरफ अब उन्मुख हुई है और इस पर काम करना चालू हुआ है कि देश में एक यूनिफॉर्म सेंटेंसिंग पॉलिसी लागू की जाए। सो आई होप दिस विल बी डन सून। और अभी तक की ये स्थिति है और ये आपको आज का लेक्चर हेल्प करेगा चीज़ों को समझने में, लॉ को समझने में। कीप स्टडिंग। बाय बाय फॉर नाउ।